Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an Elementor page your homepage. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and create a brand new page. Once created, open it with Elementor to begin designing. Utilize Elementor's intuitive drag-and-drop interface to craft your perfect homepage layout. After your design is complete, ensure you publish the page so it's ready for the next step. Next, we need to tell WordPress which page to use as your site's entry point. From your WordPress dashboard, locate the Settings menu on the left-hand side. Hover over it, and then click on Reading. This crucial section allows you to configure how your website's front page and blog posts are displayed to visitors. Now, within the Reading settings, you'll see an option titled Your Homepage Displays. By default, it might show your latest posts. Change this to a static page. Then, from the Homepage drop-down menu, carefully select the Elementor page you just designed and published. If you plan to have a blog, you can also assign a posts page here. Remember to save your changes. Finally, it's time to verify your work. Open a new browser tab and visit your website's main URL. You should now see your beautifully designed Elementor page as the official homepage. Take a moment to ensure everything looks perfect and functions as intended. Congratulations, you've successfully set your custom Elementor page as your WordPress homepage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.